Let's go see the new brand called Polestar. Gosh, it's bright in here, isn't it?
It is.
It's like in a
So bright though. See everything.
like in a dentist office. So this is the new Polestar 2. From 0 to 100, 4.7 seconds. So here we are at the motor show, and we are at the Polestar, which we're going to see the brand new Polestar 2 model. So we got this lovely lady. You can introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Beatrice Simonson. I'm the product manager for the Polestar 2.
And we're going to look around. Let's see what this new car has to offer. Right. It's a brand new, almost like SUV, isn't it?
Not a,
It's
no,
like-
it's not an SUV, but it's a little bit higher. But we try to make it as low as possible. We have 78 kilowatt hours of battery, included in 27 modules. We have 300 kilowatts divided in two engines, one in the front and one in the rear. So we placed all the batteries between the front and the rear axle.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are targeting a range of 500 kilometers.
Oh, wow.
WLTP for this car.
What about the brakes? Why are they so big? They're all going to be as big as that on every car?
No, in this one you see it's the launch edition with the performance package.
Okay.
Included in the performance package is Brembo brakes, the gold color you see here. We also have the Erlins chassis with the dual flow valves. We have the really nice looking forged 20-inch wheels.
They're huge, yeah?
Yeah, they're really nice with the gold valve caps.
Okay.
And to really emphasize the golden exterior, we also place the gold interior seat belts.
Oh wow, that's cool. Which
to
we'll see in a
emphasize.
minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool looking car.
Yeah, it's a really nice looking car. It's the first 100% full electrical from Polestar.
And when is it hitting the market?
This is a pre-production car, and we will start doing the production in China beginning next year.
Okay.
So after that, it will be worldwide.
And what's the price that we're looking at?
The one we are looking at right now is the launch edition from 59,900 euros in Germany. And then the following year we will come with lower versions of starting of 39,900 euros.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if we can go inside. Actually, let's show. There's an extensive button right here, isn't it?
Yes, it is. But of course, in the production cars later on, we will have a big sensor here, so you can.
Okay,
kick.
so you can kick your feet.
You can kick your feet.
Do people kick their bumpers by accident?
I don't think so, actually. But I know that previously there have been hiccups where you're supposed to kick, etc. So that's why in this car we made a longer sensor.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
So you can do it from here to like here.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a big wood as well.
Yes.
Can you explain why you got this? It's like standing up.
Yeah, so this one is standing up, and it's actually when you go to the grocery or buying some stuff, and you can hang it over here, or you want to film here.
Yeah, that's clever.
So it's quite clever. And then of course you have some things here. You have a 12 volt as standard in the rear, and also some net there to get your stuff organized.
What about?
And then you can also open this one, of course, if you want to have your charging cord in there, or if you prefer to have it in the front.
Okay.
For the front luggage compartment.
Where does it charge it from? From the side or?
Here from the side you charge.
So just like normal?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And obviously got the front as well, right?
Yes, we do.
You got these all nice features. Like some cars have like a broken window here, which I hated.
Yes,
But
and
here,
this is
look.
actually, we worked very hard with this one to not get this quarter glass.
Yeah.
Because we wanted to have a clean line all in high gloss black to get the sporty feeling and actually be able to look out when you sit in the rear.
it. And also it makes cleaning much easier.
Yes,
Because when I clean my own cars, I said never take it to the car wash. And when the kids put their fingerprints everywhere,
Yes.
So these are the gold seat belts.
Yep.
The back looks nice.
And the interior is all vegan.
Oh, really?
That means that it's 100% leather free.
Okay.
So in this model we have a shop of textile together with, on the instrument panel you see over here, and also on the tunnel console you have a 3D edge deco.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah.
actually cool.
So it's a really nice crispy feature. And as you see here, also the steering wheel is vegan, so it's leather free, and together with the high gloss black gear shifter.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you got the gear shifter here.
Yes, it's actually
Which is nice
illuminated
touch, yeah.
with the Polestar star.
Nice.
It's the same star that you have projected in the panoramic roof as well.
Okay, we'll show you panoramic
Yeah.
roof. That's nice. Does it close up or does it go? Does it dim it?
No, it's a
Stays
really,
like
really
that.
high technology with a UV glass.
Okay.
So we don't need any blinder.
This looks nice. Really nice. It's weird how electric cars can make the cars look so cool.
Yeah.
Where the petrol cars, they're becoming boring.
And they're
Same
becoming old, yes.
Exact thing.
And here you see the pin over here.
Yeah.
It's actually the Harman Kardon pattern.
Okay.
So we have Harman Kardon premium sound audio system with 13 speakers and 600 watts.
Wow.
So here we covered it with textile. And the branding is in here and in the other the front doors, and of course on the instrument panel as well. On the dashboard. Yeah, we're showing the infotainment system. And we're very happy to have an infotainment system. It's powered by Android, so we're working very closely with Google. So for this one we can show you the Google Assistants, the Google Maps and the Google Play Store. So this is the 11-inch center display together with the 12.3-inch driver display. So of course you can have the different settings of temperatures and the fans where you want to direct them, etc. Not working right now for the fans. And here you can also go through, for instance, if you want to play Spotify, or if you prefer to go to a Google Play instead. And you can say to the voice system, "Hey Google, increase volume please."
Sure.
So of course you can talk to it, or you press this fantastic crispy button, or you do it at your steering wheel. No problem at all. So let's check what's my calendar tomorrow. Hey Google, what's on my calendar tomorrow?
Tomorrow at 10:30 a.m., visit Mamco. At 1:30 p.m., lunch with Thomas. At 6 p.m., go for a run.
So you can actually know in the morning what you're going to do during the day. So it's really nice. So let's go for a route. So here you can have all the settings that you have in your phone actually. You can see the traffic situation. You could see the satellite instead. And here we can add an address, or you just let the assistants know where you want to go. But for this time, let's go to the zoo in Zurich. So here you see it takes 3 hours and 4 minutes to go there. And when you reach the destination, you have 20% left of your battery. And here you can ask the assistants, "Hey Google, show me nearby charging station." And then it will show you the charging stations. You can do the same with restaurants and all you need. And here on the driver display, you can see if you want to see the map view, if you want to see the calm view, or the car-centric view. So it's up to you as a driver.
Okay.
Of course, then you can have same as your phone. You see, you have the Google Maps here, you have Spotify here. You can press this one and just drag and drop, and then you have the maps view over there. So you can actually change what you would like to have it as a customer. You can customize it.
Okay.
Then of course you have the different settings in your car. For steering, for instance. For region braking, since this is an EV car. And for region braking, it will also be visible here in the driver display. When you press the acceleration, you will have a bar here going for power. And when you take out your foot, it will actually charge. So it's very easy for you as a customer to understand how you drive an electrical car. Then of course we have also the Google Play Store, and here you will have all the apps available for the automotive industry. So that was a short demo of what you can do with this infotainment system. It's an ecosystem that we are thrilled working with Google, and since we have over-the-air updates, your car will always be updated. No old apps or maps.
Okay. But obviously, as we said before, people that have iPhones can still use it because it's still integrated, obviously, to be...
Yes, they can still use it, and we will still have the ability to do the Apple CarPlay, for instance, but you don't need any cords. It's through Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for that.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, what about the charger? Is that a wireless phone charger?
That is a charger for your phone.
Let's check it.
Yeah, it's
Actually.
not... You can put it there, but it's not integrated. No, it's not on right now. And then you have two USB-Cs here.
Oh, okay.
And then you have two USB-Cs in the rear as well.
Oh, wow. Well, that was a little demo of the brand new Polestar 2. And it's a very nice car. There's a lot of nice features. Oh, actually, the guy opened the frunk. That's what it's called, I think. So let's go and see the frunk at the moment.
Back tire. And the jack's up there.
That was my next question, actually. No, that was my next question about the flat tire.
Yeah.
What happens? Do you have all this, the flat tire stuff that you put inside, or because you don't have a spare wheel, do you?
No, you don't have a spare wheel for this. So it's basically as many other modern cars that you have. So this is basically where you have it.
Oh, okay, it's the same as
Yeah.
every other car. Like,
Exactly. Varningstriangel and compressor.
Cool.
Makes it 34 liters, so you have some extra storage there.
So when is it going to be available in UK? That's the question that obviously most of my viewers are in UK, because I'm from UK.
Yeah, I understand that. And since the production will start beginning next year,
Okay.
you will get it after that.
Well, guys,
Yes.
if you like electric cars, if you want to save this planet, might as well obviously start saving your pennies.
And you can actually order it right now online.
Yeah, you heard it first.
Yep.
You can order it online.
Yep.
Okay. Well, thank you so much
Thank you very much.
for a little interview. Thank you very
have a
much.
good day.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the car, guys.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Look at that.